here we go with the heap memory issue. Stack, I can use the dot notation. Heap, I have to use that arrow notation to start accessing different members in this, or not just the arrow, but sometimes also the star, in order to access the information for that particular instance. So there's the deletion that we have at the very end too. So that's the big difference between using stack and heap. Notice overall though, the code's really the same. It's very, very close. There's nothing crazy difference between the two. But just realize, as soon as we go to heap, we need to start making some minor coding changes. Now, you're going to start working with a heap and your container. This time you're creating a pepperoni, and I'll leave the rest of it for you to read. We'll come back here in a minute. Copy and paste what you've got. Again, the only code that's really changing is not the functions. It's not, notice I didn't change any of the functions. I didn't change the cout. We just changed how we addressed it when we have our instance. That's the only spot. So all of your previous code's still going to work. You just got to change how we kind of call a little bit, and that's it. So keep it simple. It's not meant to be crazy. We'll go over and answer here in a moment. And here's our answer. Number one is the overall setup using our heap memory of the pointer and of new. You know how that goes. Notice the constructors, no real change when it comes to that. Next, I actually printed out twice. To be honest with you, I think I had a two-string method that's already in there. Remind me if I don't, and I'll change that. But I did the overloaded cout portion, and I know you did. So notice it has a star in front of that to get the pepperoni. We're good from there. I wanted to show you, to at least show you how to call a function. Let's put it that way. You would need the arrow part of that part. And then make sure that we delete, and then make sure we set pepperoni to null pointer to make sure that we are good to go when it comes to securing our memory. So there's a solution for pepperoni as a heap memory